So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky and my name is Banky Me and this is Banky Update. So I've shared about this platform on my WhatsApp group last week. I think I shared it also on my Telegram group also, but I know I shared it on my WhatsApp group and I invest already there. So I think since I've shared it, I've not make a video, and right now I want to make a video. I want to make a video to show you if this platform is paying or not and how they operate. So before I show you how they operate, let me quickly make a withdrawal on this platform. Their withdrawal take I think 24 hours, so I don't know how fast it will be. Maybe it will be faster or shorter. So right now I have not done anything on this app before. I have not done anything already. I only investing, and if you look up here you will see that I have 6,000 which can be withdrawable already. So let me show you something. So this platform was launched on March 21st of March 2023. So today's date is 3rd of April. So this platform is just a week a week a week plus. So I think it's a week plus or almost 2 weeks now. So that is how it is. So this is how it work on this app. For example, let's say you recharge 5,000. Your 5,000 will give you recharge 5,000 to get 7,500. The first day income is 300. That means 5,000 plus 7,500 is equal 12,500. So if you recharge 5,000, you are going to get 12,500. But you can't withdraw everything at once. You cannot withdraw everything at once. It will be reducing. There will be uh, releasing it for you little by little on this app. They will be releasing it for you little by little. For example, let's say you recharge 10k, 10,000 naira. That 10,000 naira will multiply to 25,000 naira. It will multiply to 25,000 naira. That is plus 10 uh plus 15. 10,000 plus 15, that is 25,000 naira. So you will be getting 600 naira on it daily. 600 naira on it daily. That means on your account, when you recharge 10,000 naira, you will see it will multiply immediately to 25,000 naira. If you recharge 20,000 naira, it will multiply to 50,000 naira, and you'll be getting 1,200 naira daily. Let me show it for you clearly. Let me show it to you. So here on my account you can see already this thing here. You can see that I have a saving amount of 18,967, and if you look here I have this. That is because I have some rebates here, and you can see it awaiting to release, already released, and released today. This has been released today already. There are still more that will release join this one. So that is how it works. If you recharge 10,000 naira, you are going to receive 25,000 naira in your account there, 25,000 naira here. So it will be releasing for you small, little by little. So that is how the platform work. That is how it work. So right now you can also download their application on your phone. APK, you can download the application on your phone. You can read the platform rules. You can read the platform's rules here, everything to know more about the platform, everything. Just click here. If you don't understand anything, click the platform rules and you will see everything. You will see everything to make you understand how the platform work from A to Z. Okay, right now I want to make a withdrawal, but I have not bind my bank account to this platform. You can on this platform you can bind your bank card, which is your account number, your bank account number, or you can use bind with USDT. For me today, um, let me try out. Let me withdraw to my. I wish to withdraw to my USDT as always, but let me use bank first. Let me try if there is OPay here. I want to withdraw to be. I want to be withdrawing to my OPay. So let me check the banks here. OPay. Okay, there is no OPay here. So uh let me find Kuda, but I will not withdraw to my Kuda. Kuda is on my second account. There is Kuda here, but I don't want to withdraw to my Kuda. So let me withdraw to my USDT instead. So right now I have clicked on wallet address. Not you can withdraw to your USDT wallet or to your bank account directly. So right now I want to withdraw to my USDT. Now click on add. Remember it is USDT TRC20 you are withdrawing to. USDT TRC20. Now input your name here, enter your name here, then your USDT account. That is your USDT wallet address, USDT TRC20 wallet address. You will paste it here. So let me go and copy it and paste it here now. So this is the USDT wallet I am withdrawing to. So you can see that I only have 0.9 dollars here, which is $0.90. So I want to withdraw to be withdrawing to this wallet here. Now click. I have copied the wallet address. Now let me go to the chat GPT and paste it here. Paste, then click on add. So added successfully. You can add more if you want. So right now let me go back and okay, after I go back, I want to, I think I've done a transaction password before. Let me check it. Okay, there is already transaction password there. I've used it to when I'm registering. So right now I want to make a withdrawal. Let's see if this platform is going to pay us or not. So I want to make a withdrawal of 6,300. Let's see. Click on withdrawal. Okay, so right now select USDT. So after I select it, they are going to take 10% on whatever you withdraw. 10%. So 6,000. Let me withdraw 6,300. Then password. Input your password here. So as you can see, I'm going to receive 5,670. 5,670. That is what I'm going to receive. But the 5,670 will be in USDT, not in naira. So I think that should be around $9 to $8. I think it should be around $8 to $9. So let me click on withdraw money now. Submitted successfully. So as you can see right now, it has been submitted successfully. You can read their withdrawal instructions here. You can read everything down here. You can read it. The minimum withdrawal amount is 1,000 naira, and withdrawal time Monday to Saturday. And as you can see, exactly 10 a.m. I make the withdrawal exactly 10 a.m. So thank God it's exactly 10 a.m. today to 5 p.m. Withdrawal arrive time, withdrawal on the first day will be credited to the account on the second day. So the withdrawal I make today will be credited tomorrow. If by any chance I can still withdraw it today, if by any chance I can also still get it today. So that is how you can read everything. Only one withdrawal per day is allowed. So you can read everything. And read everything here to see if this platform is going to pay us or not. So guys, that is what I have for you. So I'm going to pause this video, and anytime I receive the money, I am going to play the video to show you the withdrawal proof, everything. So guys, keep in touch and wait for me. I've already see the money. I'm going to show it to you right now. So I want to check something. Let me check. I think maybe I can see a withdrawal history here on this app. So let me click on withdrawal history to to show it to you. I think this place is the withdrawal history. I think there is withdrawal history on the app. I'm looking for withdrawal history just to show it to you that the money come from them. Withdrawal record. Let's see. So as you can see, success. You can see it here. Success. That is successful. Withdrawal record. I received 7 point something dollars, as I tell you about that. I'm going to receive something like 8 or 7 or 9. Yes, $8 to $7. So I received 7 point something dollars. Let me show it to you on my wallet. So you can see this is the money here, $7.66. This $18.3, I received it for ACNFT, because immediately as I pause this video, I make another videos and I make a withdrawal from another platform called ACNFT. You can also still see the video here before this. I've already uploaded the video. Just check the below this video. After this video, you will see it here. Click on this my channel, then on this video, the video I upload before I upload this one, you will see the app there, the application there, the platform there, ACNFT. Or you can also check the description of this video. I will also apply it there to see how the platform goes. So you can see it, $7.66. I even receive it very fast today. I receive it very fast. So I receive it 7 minutes to 10. So 7 minutes ago. Yes, I received it 7 minutes after 10. So 7 minutes after 10. So that is it. The platform is paying. A ChatGPT is paying. You can see it by yourself. You know, I do my things with proof. I show you everything with proof. If a particular platform is paying or is still paying, so you can see it by yourself. If you want to register with them, you can join them and still register right now. Rewatch this video. If you don't understand it, you can also still click on help center here, this help center here, to read everything on how the platform operates. So guys, thank you for watching and see you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.